Question number 9. An airliner flies 2000 km at a speed 1600 km per hour and then returns due to bad weather at a speed of 1000 km per hour. Due to bad speed, its speed reduces. Find the average speed for the whole trip. To find the average speed, we need total distance and total time. Okay. Now, what are given here? Distance, (2000 km). S1 is 1600 km per hour. Return journey means same distance. It will travel with same distance. So D2 also 2000 km and speed is 1000 km per hour. Now total distance equals to D1 plus D2. So 2000 plus 2000, it will be 4000. Now total time equals to T1 plus T2. Now what is T1? We know time equals to distance by speed, so it will be D1 by S1 plus D2 by S2. So this D1 is 2000, S1 1600 plus 2000 by S2. What is S2? S2 is 1000. So total time will be 3.25 hour. Now speed, average speed equals to total distance by total time. So here total distance is 4000 km and total time 3.25. So finally the answer is 1230.76 km per hour. If we round to nearest 10 km per hour, the answer will be 1230 km per hour. This is rounded nearest 10 km per hour. Question number 10. A train travels from A to B a distance of 100 km at a speed of 20 km per hour. If it had gone 2.5 times as fast, how much earlier would it have arrived at B? 2.5 means 2.5, right? In second case, the speed will be 2.5 times than the first time. So here distance, first time distance and second time distance, both cases distance is 100 km. Okay, so we can write, we have to find the difference between the timing, initial time and final time. When the train travels from A to B, we can find the time T1, and when it returns back B to A, we'll find the time t2. So the difference between t1 and t2 we have to find. How much earlier would it have arrived at B? Clear? No, here actually question is if it had gone 2.5 times as fast. The distance always from A to B, not B to A. Okay, so here common distance is D, 100 kilometer. Initially the speed was S1 equals to 20 kilometer per hour. So we have to find S2. S2 equals to 2.5 times 2.5. This is right. Okay, 2.5 times the initial speed S1, right? So it will be 2.5. We can write 5/2 or 2.5, and S1 is 20. So finally we are getting 50 kilometer per hour. So since in second cases the train travels faster, so it will take less time, and in first case the train will take longer time. Okay, that is T1 is bigger than T2. So we have to find the difference, right? Therefore we have to find T1 minus T2. T1 will be bigger as the speed was less, so it will take longer time. Now what is T1? D by S1 minus what is T2? D by S2. So the distance is 100 kilometer, S1 is 20 kilometer per hour, and S2 is 50 kilometer per hour. Finally the answer is 3 hours.